Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Greetings to all the students from Universitas Terbuka all over Indonesia. Welcome to the session 7 of Cross-Cultural Understanding Classroom. In this session, you are going to continue studying about work values. This is actually related to the previous materials in session 6. So that's why at the end of this session, you are expected to explain about the previous materials concerning and discussing about those values and today's current values, which is work values. I hope you understand the materials. If you have any questions or if you need more materials, you can find in our e-library from Universitas Terbuka. Don't forget to pay attention to fill out the attendance list, follow the discussion forum, and then do all assignments given. And of course, work the quizzes if available. Thank you, and I wish you luck.